Hey everybody, it's Mayor Joe Konrad. We're down here on a sunny Monday morning with Clayton Goeglein, and we're here at Little Rincon Rentals and Nursery. And the nursery part is new. Little Rincon's been here for a little while up on the lower end of town, but he's moved up here onto 4th Street in Clayton. What a transformation here on this lot.
Thank you. Yeah. I've pulled my friends and family together, and they all helped me accomplish cleaning this up and getting everything moved over. And we're a family business, and happy to be here to serve the community of Benson.
And the rental business was that's how you started out, right?
Yeah.
With the equipment
Yep.
rentals.
Started the equipment rentals back in 2021 down at Benson Feed and Supply. They kind of partnered with me. My cousin Derek and Ryan over there. Kind of outgrew our space there and transitioned down here.
And added the nursery. What a beautiful addition. I'm just sitting here in the middle of all this, kind of a tropical setting.
Yeah, birds chirping, sun shining.
So yeah,
in the background.
more of the transformation we're seeing here on 4th Street. Smaller businesses starting up and helping Benson grow, and it's really good to see what a variety you have here. What are your hours?
So we're open from 8 to noon on the nursery side for sure every day, and the rental side, and then we are kind of flexible in the afternoons, depending on, if you call us and you want to come look at stuff, we'll figure out a way to get down here and meet you and make something happen. So trying to staff up a little more and cover more time. Thank you, Emma.
Well, good.
But yeah.
And as you can see, it's a family business.
Yeah, family business. Little helpers.
All right. Well, once again, Little Rincon Rentals and Nursery right here at 650 West 4th Street, and Clayton's here to serve your rental and nursery needs.
Yeah, come on down.
Thanks everybody, and we'll see you next time for Monday with the Mayor.